Starting a business is a great way to become your own boss, but there are a lot of roadblocks to starting one. One of the main roadblocks that a lot of new business owners have to face is inventory. Not all of us have hundreds of thousands of dollars to spend on it, but don't worry, there's still a way. I'm Grace from Printbest, and in this video, we'll be showing you a few no inventory methods to start a business. Before we begin, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and share it with your friends who are thinking about starting a business as well. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. The first approach that you can potentially take is starting a business that offers freelance services. Online freelancing is more popular and lucrative than ever before. It's now incredibly easy to start an online freelancing business. The great thing about freelancing is that it can be any kind of online service you want it to be, whether it's writing, designing, creating, or anything else you're good at. If you take a look at some websites like Fiverr and Upwork, you can get an idea of what a diverse range of freelancing jobs are in demand right now. A lot of people think freelancing is more of a job than a business, but here's where they're wrong. For starters, you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to freelancing. You're picking your own hours, days, vacation days, and everything else. You can pick jobs that you want to do, what services you want to provide, and more. But what's even more amazing is that the more you freelance online, the more of a traditional business you start. For example, you can start by getting jobs done here and there. This is the hardest part since you have to build up your repertoire. But if you keep working hard enough, it'll eventually happen and you'll get to a point where you can't take every job you see. This is where outsourcing comes in. Once you've built your reputation, you can start outsourcing these jobs to other freelancers around the world while still earning a finder's fee. There are so many approaches that you can take to starting an online freelancing business. The global online service industry is absolutely massive, and you should definitely consider getting a chunk of that pie for yourself. If you'd like to know more about what it's like to start an online business, make sure you check out the Printbest blogs. There we have all sorts of tips and secrets that will help you along your journey. The next approach you can take is starting an online t-shirt business. T-shirts are one of the easiest products that you can sell online. If you check out almost any online store, odds are there's going to be a lot of t-shirts there. Many of us have tried to start a fashion brand or a retail store, but the problem of inventory still remains. So what's our solution to the inventory problem? Print on demand. With print on demand services, you're able to shift the responsibility of inventory to a third party. For example, here at Printbest, we allow you to create all sorts of different t-shirts right on our website, upload all kinds of different designs, and once you've virtually finished building your t-shirt, you can have it listed on your online store. After that, whenever somebody places an order on your website, Printbest will automatically be notified and have your t-shirt produced in as fast as 2 days. Once again, there are a lot of approaches that you can take when starting an online t-shirt business. Once you have inventory settled, you could potentially start your own fashion line. If that's not your thing, you could sell t-shirts with a more general design, more or less the kind of t-shirts that big retail brands sell. But if that's not enough, you could even start your own brand and try to find new ways to add value to your brand. The important thing is that you use a print-on-demand service like Printbest. That way, you don't ever have to worry about inventory or many of the other upfront costs that are associated with selling t-shirts. You can price your t-shirts however you want because that's all up to you. Also, by taking this approach, you'll have a lot more time and resources left over for more important things like marketing, growth, designing, and more. And finally, another simple approach is to sell digital products online. We're at a point in the world where not all goods and services are physical. Sometimes they can be digital. For example, you probably used to rent or buy DVDs or cassettes back in the day, but now you can just download or stream those on your phone or your laptop. Similarly, a lot of other goods are going digital: art, music, books, and a whole bunch of other things. This opens up a great business opportunity for a lot of people, especially if you're a bit on the artistic side. You could create online digital art on Photoshop or GIMP and sell your art on websites like Etsy. You'd be surprised at how big the market for digital art is. You could also sell music online, become an amateur photographer, or become an author. Gone are the days where you need a big publisher to get your books noticed by the general public. The internet has opened up so many opportunities for authors to self-publish their stories and have them be read. You could even sell self-published books on Amazon, which is the world's largest online bookshop, on top of being an e-commerce giant. The great thing about that is that you don't need to actually print any of those books. All you need to do is create an ebook. Overall, there are a lot of no inventory ways that you can start a business. Whether it's providing online services to clients through freelancing websites, starting your own t-shirt business with the help of print-on-demand services, or by selling digital products that you've created yourself. All of these require absolutely no physical space at all. They do require a little bit of hard work, research, and determination. But trust me, it's a lot easier to start a business when you don't have to worry about stuff like inventory or stocking up. In this video, we learned a few no inventory ways to start a business. If you're ready, make sure to check out printbest.com to get started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. We'll see you for the next one.